Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to respond to a question on Google Classroom. So you're going to go to your class, then you are going to go to your question. See, it has a little question box right here. I'm going to click on it. Then you are going to start typing your answer. Remember to read your teacher's directions right here at the bottom. If you don't read the directions, you're going to get points off or points deducted because you didn't read the directions. So don't just look at the question, but also look below at the bottom at the question, or at the directions, excuse me. You can add a private comment to your teacher, like, I don't understand, or what does this mean? And then she can respond to you, or he can respond to you. And then you're going to hit turn in. You can also see other classmates' answers once you do that. Okay, let's go back for a second. There you go. All right. And I think that's all for that one. Remember how to go back to your classes to see multiple classes is to hit those three dots right there and hit classes. You can also see to do on the calendar of what you should be doing. And that's how you respond to questions in Google Classrooms.